Hello guys, you welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be demonstrating how I upgraded my thrift jeans jacket into this gorgeous piece. It's a no-sew technique that you'll find useful. So let's get straight to business. Welcome guys. So I got this denim jacket at a thrift store and I felt the need to revamp the jacket to make it more pleasing to the eyes. So this is a very beautiful jacket, but I wanted to make it even more beautiful. Okay, so first of all, I noticed that the collar is looking, quite faded. You can look at the collar, it's kind of faded. All right, so I decided that I was going to loosen up the collar and loosen it, the stitches that held the collar to the jacket, and I'm going to flip it to this other side that looks better, you understand. So I'll go ahead and loosen this now. So guys, I have loosened the collar and I'm simply just going to flip it this way, and I would stitch it now to my jacket. So I have stitched, and you can see that there's a difference between the before and after now. So I've turned my jacket to the back. Please note that it's not compulsory for you to change your collar. Okay, it's just my personal preference. I wanted my collar to look as new as possible. So guys, this is the back of my jacket, and I'm going to draw out my pattern that I want to use with the help of my tailor's chalk. So I'm going to draw it like a branch of sorts. You can play around with your creative idea, whatever you want to, whatever shape you want to do. Okay, so I'm just going to mark out like branches like this, and then kind of like play around, make something that looks like leaves on each branch. Okay, so just ensure that you're making a simple pattern, not something complex. I'm not sure you want to give yourself so much stress. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to be transforming this pattern that I've drawn with this cup chain. I got about 3 yards. You could get 4 yards. It depends. And this is the rhinestone that I'm going to be using. Another thing you'll be needing also is your fabric glue. Very, very important. Okay. Now I'm going to put some glue. Okay. So I'm putting some glue on the rhinestone. Sorry. And I'm going to stick it like so. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take out my cup chain and kind of measure out what will be needed to go round this rhinestone. So once I've gotten like an estimate, I cut it off, and I'll use that to cut out others as well. You cut as many as would contain all the leaves. Then you apply the fabric glue round the rhinestone, and carefully use it to wrap the rhinestone. You can make use of your tweezers to place it properly, to arrange it very well. Okay. All right. Once this is done, I'm going to work on the next leaf. I'll be repeating the process, placing the fabric gum on the stone and then sticking it to the fabric, then using the cup chain that I've already cut. I decided to use this to show you that you could also use this kind of glue because it has a tinier nozzle, okay, so it will leave less mess on the fabric. So whichever is your choice. Now I'm going to use the cup chain to wrap this, and with the tweezers are really important here. It will help you make your work easier. Okay, you can see that there's a little space here, but it doesn't matter. We're going to cover it up later. So I'll just keep, repeating the process. If you're just stumbling on my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're learning anything, please like the video. Okay guys, so you can see how far I've gone, and I just have a few leaves left. So I'm just going to go ahead and work on the remaining leaves. Like I said earlier, if you're stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. And for my subscribers, I love you guys. If you've learned anything new so far, please like the video and click on the notification button so that you'll be the first to be informed whenever I post a new video, okay? And don't forget to tag me when you have done yours, when you've revamped it. Oh guys, you can see now, I just wanted to say something here. You just, when you are done, or when you've done it to an extent, make it like a hard press, okay, so that it sticks better to the fabric. Use your hand, to press it. So I'm now done here. My cup chain is almost finished, so I can't do this last one. I will have to finish up the branches first and see if I have something left, okay, to do that leaf. So now I'm going to measure out what would be needed here for this long stem, and I'll cut out that part later. So let me place my glue on the line first. Having done that, I'll carefully place the cup chain like so, and I'll cut out the excess. You can see that our pattern is already coming out nicely. So I'm going to go ahead now and fill up the rest of the branches. In this part here, I would measure just the space in between and cut it out to what I feel is suitable for that space. Apply your glue and stick it onto the line. You can see that this is so easy. It's something you can do right at home without any stress, without any sewing. It's so easy. Always ensure you use your tweezers so that your work can be precise. All right, so I have a small strip remaining. Unfortunately, it won't be enough for the two leaves. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to place it in the middle. Let me just work on only one leaf, and I'll stick that now. Like I said, you can be creative. You mustn't follow the usual. Okay, it's almost covered. I have a tiny part that fell off before, and I would stick that as well. There you have it, guys. You can afford to leave your design like this, okay? It's beautiful, it's okay. You can afford to leave it like this, or you can opt to, tack it with a hand needle, okay, in order to reinforce your design from falling off, because sometimes the fabric glue might not be as strong as we want it to be. So if you want your design to stay and to last even longer, okay, you can just use your monofilament thread, or what we call invisible thread, with your needle, and you tack it instead of regular thread. Okay, that's optional, it's not compulsory. So guys, let's see the result of the jacket. You can see the result. Look at the final look of my denim jacket. It is a huge difference from before. Thank you guys for watching. Till my next video. Bye bye.